So mango lassi masala tea, this is $6. And this is also $6 for the chicken curry and the garlic naan bread. I lost my drone, guys. What's up, guys? So today I am going to Little India. So I'm going to the Tekka Centre and it closes around 12. Right now it's 10:30. I'm gonna catch that before it closes. This is a diverse place. Down the street there was a mosque, over here's a church, and up the street there's gonna be a Hindu temple. At night, this whole street lights up. Alright, so the place where you sit down and eat is in a separate building than this place. So we're going to cross the street and check that out. So mango lassi masala tea, this is $6. And this is also $6 for the chicken curry and the garlic naan bread. Let's try the mango lassi. Oh, that's awesome. That's really good. I love the yogurt, the mango. It's well blended masala tea. Oh, nice. I've had chai tea. It tastes similar, but it's more spiced up. And then there's a curry chicken. Oh yeah, spicy. It's not like a sweet curry. It's like spicy, hearty. It tastes really good. This bread is perfect. It's like chewy and crispy and a little bit fluffy too. Glad I brought my napkins with me. I think I still have enough time to get some more food. So they said this one, and this one, and this one are all sweet. Also this one's sweet. I never tried any of these before. What's the name of this? Lada? I'm making YouTube video. This one. Deseri.
This one kolu chattai. This one paniyaram. This one jumpo banana.
Okay.
All sweet.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Those are nice people. I'm glad they're helpful. I'm gonna have to look this up later, look at the ingredients online and all the names and stuff. Looks like there's not much to upstairs, but there's so much food downstairs, man. There's like, all the walls are lined with food stalls. That hit the spot, man. I wanted to see the Sri Lankan food, but I think I'll be too full after I eat these snacks. See what I mean by diversity? There's a temple, a Taoist temple, Hindu temple, a church, a mosque, all within a short radius. So right now I'm just gonna go to a cafe, finish editing my other video and trying these sweets out. So this temple that I want to see, it opens at 5 p.m. and that should give me enough time to finish editing my video. And here's a cafe over here. It's 24 hours. So this restaurant is called Old Chang Kee, and I just got a drink. It was yuan, which is tea and coffee mixed. So I already started eating and drinking. It's not bad. It's not like super strong coffee flavors. This sweet right here is very sugary. This is tastes like rice. It tastes like grits with sugar, but in like a more solid form. This one's different. It's like a more dense pastry. This is coconut. I like that one. It's like dense, bouncy in the center, but it's like crispy on the edges. Very sweet. I don't think I could eat all of this. Give me cavities. With this tea is not that sweet, which is perfect. I don't need super sweet. Man, it's taken a long time to upload. It took me like 5 hours to get it to 28%. I might have to wait till I get back to Thailand to upload. I have one more day left in Singapore, so I had to go to the ATM and get some more cash. I thought I was going to stretch it out for the rest of my time here in Singapore, but I just need a little bit more cash. But this is dry noodle. I'm in Sim Lim Square, and this is the basement. I managed to get Singapore outlet. I've been looking everywhere for that. 3 Singapore dollars. Spicy and flavorful. It's a seafood kind of taste. is badam milk. I had to look it up to see the ingredients. It's my first time trying this. It has almonds, cardamom, saffron, and I think turmeric. Oh, that tastes really good. It has that cardamom flavor. It's really good. I lost my drone, guys. It sucks. I lost the signal, and the last place it was at was right over here, and I can't find it. It might be on the other side, but it's locked. There's nobody out there. There's nobody working. I don't want to risk getting trespassing. This sucks. I'm gonna just go home now. Shit.